our skies sovereign and safeguard.
उपस्थित जनसमूह विस्मित है, आह्लादित है, रोमांचित है, प्रसन्न है भारत की इस वायु शक्ति का अवलोकन करके। अमृत फॉर्मेशन के बाद अब बारी होगी वज्रांग फॉर्मेशन की।
6 Rafale, omnipotent fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Undoubtedly, one could say that even the winds along the Kartavya path have stopped to stare at these Rafales. 6 Rafale fighter aircraft flying majestically out of the air. Formation led by squadron leader Amol Garg, squadron leader Mihir Vivek Chaudhary, squadron leader Sarthak Kumar, squadron leader Mohit Tyagi, squadron leader Arun Atre, and squadron leader Shivangi Singh, all from 17 Squadron.
17 स्क्वाड्रन जिसका आदर्श वाक्य उदयम अस्त्रम, 6 राफेल विमान हवा में विलीन होते हुए।
And now the audience thrilled to welcome the last but second in the series. We have the Trishul formation.
त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन में 3 Su-30 विमान विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में उड़ान भरते हुए नजर आएंगे। 900 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से त्रिशूल भगवान शिव का अस्त्र है और बुराई के अंतर का, दुश्मन के संहार का परिचायक।
Formation led today by Group Captain Manish Arora, Shaurya Chakra. Other members in the formation are Wing Commander Kunal Kalra and Wing Commander Abhimanyu Singh, all from 15 Squadron. And there you can see the Trishul formation comprising 3 Sukhoi 30 MKI air dominance fighter aircraft flying at a speed of 900 kilometers per hour.
3 Su-30 विमान जिनका विजय नाद सुनकर रोमांच महसूस किया जा सकता है, हवा में विलीन होते हुए त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन बनाते हुए।
Having pulled up, watch the leader going further up and the wingmen spitting to cast a trishul or a trident up in the air. Formation led by Group Captain Manish Arora.
और अब रोमांच की पराकाष्ठा, विजय फॉर्मेशन। एक राफेल 900 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से उड़ान भरते हुए 300 मीटर की ऊंचाई पर कर्तव्य पथ के वाटर चैनल पर नजर आएगा। सांसें थाम कर रखिए अपनी।
And in command of Group Captain Abhishek Tripathi, along with Flight Lieutenant Sona, here comes the single Rafale flying at 900 kilometers per hour. All set to touch the sky with glory as he will execute the victory roll over Kartavya Path today. Known as the Falcons of Champ and Aknoor, flying with their motto, Anbhishya Bhedi, or seek to destroy. That's Group Captain Abhishek Tripathi. Climbing up, carrying out the victory roll, and finally will disappear into the blue yonder, signifying the motto of the Indian Air Force, Nabha Sprasham Deeptam.
Absolutely. Glory in the sky, touching the sky with glory. Historically, we know fly past have a special affinity with parades and form their aerial component. And today, here, the absolutely captivating fly pasts, shown specially for you through our specially placed cameras. And what a glorious day for a glorious fly past. Lovely sunny day, a gorgeous blue sky, the framework, and here we are, having witnessed the grand finale of our 76th Republic Day celebrations. Well, we can see exhilaration and excitement of the parade's elements settling down in a feeling of warm contentment and satisfaction, getting rooted in national pride and sentiment, settling overall present here. Well, it's interesting to note that even though this event is a regular feature every year, each time we watch it, there is a special kind of novelty to these celebrations. And though the parade at Kartavya Path in New Delhi concludes, the celebrations do not end. As Indians, we have so much to celebrate. A solid, inclusive, and deeply valued constitution that guides our journey as a republic. An aspirational and young population with limitless potential to economies in India and for those across the world. And of course, a diversity that enriches, challenges, bridges and nourishes. Awaiting the arrival of the President's bodyguard, and we can see them coming for the national anthem, and then they will escort the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, the President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, and our chief guest for today, President Prabowo Subianto, President of Indonesia.
एक बार से हमारे शास्त्रों में घोड़ों को सूर्य पुत्र माना जाता है। हमारे मान्यता है कि घोड़ों का जन्म समुद्र मंथन से हुआ और ये हमारी सांस्कृतिक विरासत को सहेज कर संजो कर रखते भारतीय सेना के लिए घोड़सवार शूरवीर। अब कमांडेंट द्वारा सलामी शस्त्र का आदेश होगा, राष्ट्रगान होगा। आप सबसे आग्रह कृपया अपने अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं। वर्दीधारी इस दौरान सैल्यूट करें।
Salam alaikum! March! Salute! Madad! Back!